So we finally got this spoiler installed on this Foxbody, and what a chore that was. It wasn't the funnest job in the world, but we got it done and it looks clean. It just took a whole lot of cleaning, a whole lot of fixing, drilling new holes, and just tidying up the fiberglass work. So we're gonna go ahead and move forward to the front end of the car. We're gonna go ahead and cut up this brand new Cervini's hood to install our Aerocatch hood latches. We're gonna start by installing the lower pin in the bottom, and I've got some of my daughter's like water-based paint dropper things going on up there, and I'm gonna blueprint the top of those, set the hood down on it so we know exactly where to drill. We'll pop the holes through the top of the hood, and then set our template in place and kind of cut it out and final form fit it, drill it, grind it, get it fit, and get them in. That way we have some sweet freaking Aerocatch latches. I've always wanted to set on something. So it's centered to there. We've got it centered at, let's just call it 4 7/16. And I mean, that's 4 7/16 in the middle of that. And that fucking.
You want a Sharpie?
I want you to look at it. So we've got the holes cut out in the Cervini's hood for these Aerocatch latches. Man, we really took our time and like blended out real smooth so we had a perfect fit. We're in the process of drilling holes, but what we found out, the lower plate really doesn't work with this fiberglass molded hood. So we had to call it audible in the middle, get some longer hardware and build some spacers and stuff, but it's gonna look real clean from the bottom side.